Is my screen visible, children? I've shared my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So today let's learn how to solve a linear equation in one variable x. See the first one. So this is exercise 2.1 from your NCERT maths textbook. Look at this equation. X minus 2 is equal to 7. How do we solve this? See the understanding here. Now, see, now that you know how to solve, you know you have to transpose minus 2. So x is equal to 7. Minus 2 on the other side becomes plus 2. So x is equal to 9. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See the procedure. See the understanding here. So we are given that x minus 2 is equal to 7. We need to solve this equation and find the value of x. So what is worked here is, now what is that we have along with 2 in the LHS? Along with x in the LHS. In the left hand side, along with x, we have minus 2. Now the idea is to get rid of all those elements which are with x, because we are solving for x. We are solving for x. So x must be alone in the LHS so that you can find its value. Now along with x we have minus 2. Now you want to take away minus 2 from the left hand side. So what you do is, see here, write all that you see in the left hand side, x minus 2. And how will you get rid of minus 2? If you add 2, if you add 2 to the LHS, plus minus 2 plus 2 is 0. But because we're dealing with equations, whatever you do, you must do it on both the sides. When you add 2, you must add 2 to both the sides. That is the LHS and the RHS. Whatever, whether you add an element, you subtract an element, you multiply, divide, do the same action in both the LHS and the RHS. Do the same action, perform the same action in both the LHS and RHS, because we're working with an equation. So in the left hand side of the equation, we have x minus 2. This minus 2 is the element present with x. We need to get rid of that. So to get rid of minus 2, we need to add 2. So do that on both the sides. That's the first step. Adding 2 to the LHS and the RHS. That's the first step. Next, what happens? Minus 2 plus 2, 0. So we have only x. X is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. So the solution is x is equal to 9. See the next one. We need to solve this equation. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. So the element which is present along with y, the variable is y. We need to solve for the variable y. We need to find the value of y. Now what is that? With y in the left hand side? Plus 3. You need to get rid of plus 3. How will you get rid of plus 3? When you subtract 3 from both the sides. When you subtract 3 from both the sides. So what we do? We write the LHS as it is, y plus 3 as it is. Since we need to get rid of plus 3, you say minus 3. But you should do that on both the sides. So you subtract 3 on both the sides. So you write y plus 3 as it is, say minus 3 in the LHS and minus 3 in the RHS also. Write 10 as it is, minus 3. So you're subtracting 3 from each side. Now what happens? Plus 3 minus 3, 0. So y is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. See the next one. The equation is 6 is equal to z plus 2. Now the variable z is in the RHS. The variable z is in the right hand side. And along with z, we find plus 2. Along with the variable z, we need to solve for the variable z. And along with z, we have plus 2. Well, we need to get rid of plus 2. And to get rid of plus 2, you must subtract 2 from both the sides, because plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So we need to subtract 2 from both the sides. So write 6, which is in the LHS as it is, 6 as it is, minus 2 is equal to Write z plus 2 as it is minus 2. You're subtracting minus 2 from both the sides. So now 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4 is equal to plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 4. So see the equation, children. Where is the variable x? Is it in the left hand side or in the right hand side?
Left side.
Left hand side. The
Left hand
variable
side.
x, yeah, the variable x is in the left hand side. What is that element? What do you see along with x? What do you see along with the variable in the left hand side?
3 by 7.
3 by 7. It's plus 3 by 7. So to get rid of plus 3 by 7, you must subtract 3 by 7 from both the sides. That is the first step. So see here, this is written as this. See this 3 by 7, this 3 by 7, you can see it here, 3 by 7. You can see this plus 6 also here. See here, in the left hand side, we have 3 by 7 as it is, this plus 6 as it is, and in the right hand side, see the 17 by 7 as it is. What we do is we subtract 3 by 7 from both the sides. So minus 3 by 7 on this side, minus 3 by 7 on the other side also. You can write it anywhere. It's not that you must write it here only. You can even write 3 by 7 plus 6 minus 3 by 7 after that. There's nothing that you should write it here only. The position is not important. You should subtract 3 by 7 from the LHS as well as from the RHS. That's what it is. So not that you must write, 3 by 7 here only, minus 3 by 7 here. You can even write 3 by 7 plus 6 and then minus 3 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. That's absolutely fine. Then what happens? Plus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7, 0, 0. So x is equal to, now these are like fractions. You can just simplify them. 17 minus 3, 14, 14 by 7. I don't think I have to explain this. Taking up the common denominator, 7 is the common denominator. So 17 minus 3. When the fractions are like fractions, you can just add or subtract the numerators. So 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 by 7, 14 by 7, which simplifies to 2. Should I explain this, children? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 2 by 1, which is 2. So the value of x is equal to 2. The required solution is 2. Any questions?
Ma'am?
Yes, please ask me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Devadarshini, ma'am.
Yeah.
I can able to understand that solving x equal to 17 minus 13 by 7, that step, ma'am.
Yeah.
After that also I can able to understand, ma'am. But before that I cannot able to understand it, ma'am.
Which one? You start from the beginning. You tell me. Yeah. Now in the equation, in the left hand side, where is the variable? In the left hand side or the right hand side?
Left hand side, ma'am.
Okay, x is there. So what is present along with x? You must see what is present along with the variable. The variable is x. What do you see along with the variable? What do you see along with the variable?
Plus x.
No. Okay, cover. No. In the left hand side, just cover. Use your finger and cover that plus x. What do you see apart from plus x? On the screen, on your screen, no? You just cover that plus x.
Okay.
What do you see in the left hand side other than plus 6? What do you see?
Equal to.
No. Just say what you feel. You don't have to be correct, Devadarshini. You just have to answer what is in your mind.
3 by 7.
What you're saying is correct or wrong. You cannot do that. You must just say what is in your mind. I'll help you. Yeah. No. Let's come from the beginning. I'm reading the equation for you, Devadarshini. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Do we see that equation?
Yeah, ma'am.
Do we see that equation?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now, where is the variable x? Is it the left hand side or right hand side?
It is in the right hand side.
No, no, I'm scared if you're able to see my screen. Now, where is the variable x? See here. Where is the
It's left hand side, ma'am.
It's in the left hand side. See, the equal to sign is here. So on the left hand side is the variable x. Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, now use your finger. On the screen, you cover that plus x. You cover that plus x. Don't see that. Now what is, yeah, now what do you see in the LHS? What do you see? Cover x. What do you see in the LHS?
Ma'am, 3/7.
Yeah, you should take away that 3/7. You should take away the 3/7. X should be alone. Okay, x should be alone. If you're solving for x should be alone in the LHS.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, there should be nothing else other than x. So there is this 3/7 now with x. You must remove it. So if you have 5 with you, 5 minus 5 is 0. If you have minus 5 plus 5 is 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so since we have 3/7 there, how will 3/7 become 0? If you subtract 3/7.
Subtract, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the idea. The first thing is see, write the equation. After writing the equation, you should identify where the variable is found. If the variable is in the LHS or the RHS, that's the next step. And here the variable is in the left hand side. Okay, so cover the variable. Don't see the variable x. See, I put my cursor on that. You cannot see x now. Now, other than x, what do you see in the left hand side?
3/7.
Now that should become 0. 3/7 should not be there. It should become 0. How will it become 0?
3/7 minus 3/7.
Yeah, so that means you should subtract 3/7 on both the sides. See, you must always do it on both the sides. You should balance the equation. All right, you should always, meaning whatever action you do on the left hand side, the same action you should do on the right hand side. So now, since you want this 3/7, you want to take away this 3/7, you must subtract 3/7 from both the sides. So see here, can you see 3/7 here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this plus x here?
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, minus 3/7. Why we have written minus 3/7 on our own? And we do that on both the sides. Minus 3/7 in the left hand side, minus 3/7 in the right hand side. Are we doing the same action on both the sides? We are doing the same action on both the sides. Minus 3/7 in the LHS, minus 3/7 in the RHS. So next what happens? 3/7 minus 3/7 is 0. 3/7 minus 3/7 is 0. So now we have x is equal to, here these are like fractions. How do you subtract the like fractions? The common denominator is 7. Now subtract the numerator, 17 minus 3. So x is equal to 14/7, and you can simplify. You can reduce 14/7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2/1, which is 2.
Yeah, ma'am. Now I can able to understand, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, okay. See the next one, children. 6x is equal to 12. Where is first question? What should be the first question? Where is the variable x? Is it in the left hand side or the right hand side?
Left
hand side, ma'am.
LHS. What is present along with x?
6.
6. In what is the connection between 6 and x? What is the mathematical operation by which 6 and x are connected? Is it addition? Is it subtraction? Is it multiplication or is it division? Multiplication. So the opposite effect of addition is subtraction. The opposite effect of subtraction is addition. Addition and subtraction are opposites of each other. Similarly, multiplication and division.
Multiplication and division.
So now what you have to do is, since the connection between x and 6 is multiplication, you need to divide by 6 on both the sides to get rid of 6. See, the intention is this. The intention is whoever is present along with the variable or whatever is there along with the variable, that should be removed. So here along with x there is 6 and they are in product form, 6 into x. So multiplication, no, the connection is multiplication. So the effect you should give is division. You must divide on both the sides by 6. You must divide by 6 on both the sides. So see the answer here. 6x is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. Divide by 6 on both the sides. See here. Can you see it on the screen? Divide by 6 on both the sides. What is 6x divided by 6? X. What is 12 divided by 6? 2. So the value of x is 2. Earlier sum, we had 3 by 7 and x. They were connected by the plus sign. So this 3 by 7 will become 0 if you subtract 3 by 7 from both the sides. 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 is 0. If it is 0, that means it disappears from the LHS. Yes, let me pause for some time. Please ask me if you have any questions. 6x. No, yeah, 6x meaning 6 into x. The variable is in the left hand side. That's the first thing. The element present along with the variable x is 6. 6 and x are in multiplication. So the opposite effect is division. You should divide by 6 on both the sides. So 6x divided by 6, 12 divided by 6. You must do the same thing on both the sides. Now 6x divided by 6 is x and 12 divided by 6 is 2. X is equal to 2. So here t by 5 is equal to 10. T by 5 is equal to 10. Now the variable t is in the left hand side. Along with t there is 5. T and 5 are connected by the division sign. T divided by 5 it is. Now I want 5 to go away from the LHS. Only then I can find the value of t. I don't want 5 there. I want to remove 5 from the LHS. The variable
multiply.
t. Yeah, the variable. Sides. Yeah, the variable t is on the left hand side, but t is not alone. T comes with 5 there and they are in division. So the opposite effect is multiplication. So you multiply both the sides by 5. Don't see the other. See, we are only concerned about the side where the variable is. Now you should not have this doubt. There is 10 here. Why can't we multiply by 10 on both the sides? Don't see that side where see only that side where the variable is present. The variable is in the left hand side. Oh, see only that side. Don't see this right hand side at all. Don't consider that at all. Here t by 5. Along with t there is 5. In division. So multiply by 5 on both the sides. Then what happens? 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. They get cancelled. So that way we have t is equal to 50. The value of t is 50.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So in the next one, we have 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. So we'll have to do it one by one. First, let's get rid of 3. See, along with x, there is 2 and there is also 3 with x. First, you can remove any one of the 2 first. Now here, according to this working, we'll try to remove 3 from there. So 3 is in division. So let's multiply both the sides by 3, right? Everything else as it is. 2x by 3, see here, is equal to 18. Apart from that, what you do is you multiply by 3 on both the sides. What happens? 3 here in the denominator and 3 in the numerator, they get cancelled. 3 here and 3 in the numerator here. And 3 in the denominator here, they get cancelled. So we have only 2x now is equal to 18 into 3, 54. Now, x is still not alone. Along with x, there is 2. We should get rid of 2 now. And they are in multiplication form. So you need to divide by 2 on both the sides. You need to divide by 2 on both the sides. So 2x divided by 2, 54 divided by 2. You will do that. 2x by 2 is x. 2x divided by 2 children. Just do it in your mind. 2x by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 in the denominator and numerator, they get cancelled. 2x divided by 2 equal to 54 divided by 2 is 27. So x is equal to 27. One of you explain this to me. Ask me questions, children. Ask me. How will you ask? What are the questions you should be asking? What's the first question? Yes, if you've understood, you should be able to explain.
Ma'am, can I explain the
Yeah.
next question, ma'am?
Next one, or next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who can try this one?
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Exercise 2.1, ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, please tell me, ma. Question number 8.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, the equation which they have gave is 1.6 equal to y by 1.5.
Yeah, one small request. Whenever you start to talk, children, please announce your name first because I can't make out who's talking. Just say like if you're Anusha, just say Anusha and then start talking.
I'm Devadarshini, ma'am.
Okay. Just say Devadarshini and start talking. Yeah, yeah, continue.
Ma'am, the equation which they have gave is 1.6 equal to y by 1.5. So first we have to write the equation 1.6 equal to y by 1.5. So we have to take the 1.5 out of there, ma'am. So we have to write
What
as
is the first
1.
thing? No, correct. I'm so sorry to interrupt. But
Yes.
what is the first thing? Where is the variable? You didn't say that. Where is the variable?
Ma'am, variable is in the numerator, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Numerator on which side?
Ma'am, it is in the RHS.
It's in the right hand side. What is present along with the variable y?
Ma'am, 1.5 is present
In what form? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division?
Ma'am, it is present in division form, ma'am.
What's the opposite effect of division?
It's multiplication, ma'am.
So what should you do?
Ma'am, we have to multiply, ma'am. We have to take 1.5. So opposite of it is present in division form. So opposite of division, it is multiplication form, ma'am. So we have to multiply it with 1.6 in both the sides. So
1.5.
it comes as 1.6 into 1.5 equal to y by 1.5 into 1.5. 1.5 into 1.5, ma'am. So the answer we get is 2.40 is y. 40 is for y, ma'am.
What happens to this 1.5 and 1.5? This 1.5 and 1.5.
Ma'am, when we
Cancel.
They get cancelled.
cancel, ma'am.
Find the numerator, 1.5, the denominator, numerator, they get cancelled. They get
Yes,
cancelled. Divided by 1.5, multiplied by 1.5. They get cancelled. So we have y is equal to, how do you multiply 16, 1.6 and 1.5? Decimal multiplication. We need to multiply 16 and 5.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
We need to multiply 16 and
16 and 5.
15. Not 5, sorry, 16 and 15. We need to multiply 16 and 15. 16 15s are 240. 240. 16 15s are 240. After that, go to this. Here, after the decimal point, we have 1 digit. Here, after the decimal point, 1 digit. So, in the product, after the decimal point, there must be 2 digits.
2 digits, ma'am.
Here, 1 digit.
1 plus 1.
Yeah, 1 plus 1, 2. So in the product, after the decimal point, there must be 2 digits.
2 digits.
So you have to place the decimal point here. And the answer is
2.40 is the y, ma'am.
Is equal to y, which is nothing but 2.4. 2.40 is nothing but 2.4. So y is equal to 2.4.
Ma'am, if my answer is correct, ma'am.
Yeah, perfect. Yes.
Thank you.
Well explained. Good. Children, take screenshots. Yeah. Just take a copy of this picture, children, so that I don't have to send you later. Sometimes there's a delay in sending. So can all of you capture a screenshot?
Ma'am?
No. Can all of you take a screenshot of the picture you see on the screen?
Ma'am, actually,
Yes, ma'am.
the bottom part of the picture is not visible due to the video. The bar which is showing the icons like video on and off like that.
Yeah. Now?
Ma'am,
Oh, you're
no,
saying?
ma'am. For each of the person, the options will show, no, ma'am. To
Oh,
switch
for
on
you,
video, to switch on, to unmute
okay.
the mic.
I thought you were asking me to do it. Okay. No problem. Fine, I'll share it later. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. So here, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. So now the variable x is in the left-hand side. And along with x, we see 7 into x, 7 and x in multiplication. And we also see 9 here, minus 9 in the left-hand side. So we need to remove them one by one. So first, let's get rid of minus 9. Let's get rid of minus 9. So we have to add 9 to both the sides. We'll do it one by one. We'll have to do two actions to get rid of 7 and minus 9 in the left hand side. We need to do two things. One is we need to take away minus 9 by adding 9 to both the sides. Next is in 7x, where 7 and x are in multiplication form, we need to divide by 7 on both the sides to get rid of 7. So let's perform the actions one by one. One of you tell me this. I gave you.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yeah, please. Your name?
I am Danya, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
So 7x minus 9 is equal to 16, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to get rid of minus 9. So we should add plus 9 on both sides.
Add 9 on both the sides, not add plus 9. Add 9 on both the sides. Okay. Add 9 on both the sides.
So minus plus 9 becomes 0, ma'am. So 7x is equal to 16 plus 9, 25.
Very good. Next.
So this x is in before a variable 7, ma'am. So we get rid of this 7. So it is in multiplication. So we should divide it by 7 on both sides.
Very good.
So 7 divided by 7 becomes 0, which is x. 1.
No, darling. 7 by 7 is 1.
Sorry, ma'am. 1.
7 minus 7 is 0. No. 7. See here. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. This is 0. Yeah, but here it is not 0. 7x divided by 7. 7 by 7 is 1.
Okay, ma'am. So these 7 get rid of. So x is equal to 25 divided by 7, ma'am.
Very good. That's the value for x. X is equal to 25 by 7. So first we get rid of minus 9, then we get rid of 7. So to get rid of minus 9, we add 9 on both the sides. And then to get rid of 7, we divide by 7 on both the sides. If the operation is subtraction, we add. If it is addition, we subtract. Multiplication, then we divide. If it's division, we multiply. We give the opposite effect. Somebody else try this.
Danya. Can I? I'm Devadarshini, ma'am.
No, not Deva again. Devadarshini, Danya tried. Anybody else? Once you try, you'll become confident. That first time we are hesitant to say. Once you start participating, then you know it becomes very comfortable. There's always a starting trouble. It's okay. See, even I have the same nervousness, no? You're going to talk to me the way I am talking to you now. Yes, yes. Kirtana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Who else is there? Kirtana, Danya, Devadarshini, Raja Maniganda, Anish. Can you hear me, Anish?
Ma'am?
Yes, Anish. Why don't you try this?
I'm not Anish, ma'am. Raja.
Raja, okay. Anish. Okay, Raja, why don't you give it a shot?
10th question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I shall give it a try.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
The equation is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13.
Yeah.
So we have to remove the 8, number 8.
Yeah.
So we are adding 8 to LHS and we are adding 8 to RHS also.
Very good.
After that, if we add 13
What's
plus 8, ma'am?
What is the value of minus 8 plus 8?
Minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0, ma'am.
0. Okay.
And when we add 13 to 8, it becomes 21.
Very good.
So the equation has become 14y is equal to 21.
Very good. Now what is present with the variable?
Now we have to remove the number 14 from y.
Very good.
Actually 14y means 14 into y.
Very good.
So we are dividing 14 and we are dividing 14 in RHS also.
Very good. Very good. Yeah.
So we get 21 divided by 14 is equal to 3 by 2.
Okay, so 14y by 14. 14y divided by 14 is y. 14y divided by 14. 14 and 14 will get cancelled. Just put a by 14 and just do that in your mind. 14y divided by 14. This 14y instead of this division symbol, if you say 14y divided by 14, 14 and 14 will get cancelled, right? So y is equal to 21 divided by 14. And in the tables of 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Very good, Raja. Very good. So y is equal to 3 by 2. Yes. I'm not saying anything here. I'll just give you 3 minutes time. Have a look. And if you have any questions, ask me. Please go through the steps. If you have a doubt, ask me. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
Sure you understood? All of us?
Yes, ma'am.
So first, always get rid of Always get rid of that, the one which is in addition or subtraction. Get rid of that first. And then the one which is in multiplication or division. So there is a choice between there is no choice between these two, whether to remove 17 first or 6 first. 6 and P, they are in product form, while 17 and 6P is connected by the plus sign. You must remove the 17 first. You must remove 17 first. You must remove 17 first. So you should subtract 17 on both the sides first and get rid of 17. So now we have 6P is equal to minus 8. Now get rid of 6 by dividing by 6 on both the sides. So you should not get rid of 6 first. You cannot get rid of 6 first. You should take away the one which is an addition or subtraction first, and then the one which is in multiplication or division. Look at this answer. Read carefully from the first line. So this is the equation, and then what's happening here, line by line. All right. So I told you, see this 3, x and 3 are in division, x divided by 3, and there's plus 1. So we need to first get rid of plus 1. So we subtract 1 on both sides. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, 0. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. So x by 3 is equal to, here we need to take up the LCM. 7 by 15 minus 1. 1. 1 is in the numerator. 1 meaning 1 by 1. 1 means 1 by 1. 1 by 1. So the LCM of the denominator is 15 and 1 is 1. Sorry, 15. The LCM of the denominator is 15 and 1 is 15. So you can see it here. 15 is LCM. 7 minus 15 into 1 is 15. Any doubt here, children, in taking the LCM and simplifying?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, take up the LCM.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, take up the LCM. So 7 minus 15 by 15, which is 8 minus 8 by 15, because 7 minus 15 is minus 8. Minus 8 by 15. So x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. Now x divided by 3. So 3 is in division. So we need to multiply 3 on both the sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Division's opposite is multiplication, so we have to multiply with 3, ma'am.
3 on both the sides. Very good.
So that both the sides, ma'am. So x by 3 into 3 equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. We have to multiply both the sides, ma'am.
Correct. So here what happens? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator gets cancelled. And here 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. So the value of x. So see here, x is now all alone in the left hand side. There's nobody with x. There is nobody with x here. X stands alone. So the value of x is equal to minus 8 by 5.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Sure. Ask me. Yes.
Ma'am, at the third step, you just said that we should find the LCM for 7 minus 15 by 15. So
7 by 15 minus 1. Yes.
7 minus 15. You just found the LCM, ma'am, but we can also do it by just subtracting normally with the integers.
How will you do that? Tell me.
Ma'am, by subtracting 7 minus of 15.
No. Tell me from here. 7 by 15 minus 1. What will you do after this?
After this, we should subtract 7 minus 15 by 15.
Okay. That's what it is. Okay, you are writing 1 as 15 by 15. You are writing 1 as 15 by 15. Correct?
Oh, yes, that's that.
You can. Yeah. Correct. Okay, write 1 as 15 by 15. Perfect.
That's what I am. Let
me go ahead with that. So 7 by 15 minus, you are writing 1 as 15 by 15. You are writing 1 as 15 by 15. Correct. So let's do it in our mind. So it will be 7 by 15 minus 15 by 15. Now they are like fractions. They have the same denominator. They're like fractions. So we have to subtract the numerators. 7 minus 15 divided by 15.
Yes, that's what, ma'am. That's what I'm asking.
Yes. That's what it is. Yeah. That's what it is. Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Any other question, children?
Ma'am, no questions, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show all the images from the first second so that I can take a screenshot of it, ma'am?
No, but somebody said cannot know. So anyways, I have to share it. So I'll share it on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am. Then it's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
It will be convenient if all of you can take a screenshot, because I'll send, but there may be a delay in sending. Rarely I may forget. So I don't want such things to happen. So it'll be convenient. Okay. So maybe those who can take a screenshot, please do it. Okay.
I'm using the laptop, ma'am. I can take it my mobile.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you show it from the first, ma'am?
Yes, ma. This is the first picture.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the first picture.
Yes, ma'am. Took, ma'am. Took, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
That's all, no, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Please wait, all of you. I'll have to share the next file with you. Please wait.